Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers cheap Sanger local and long distance movers near me. By using our long distance movers, you get the solutions you need for a much simpler move. We assist you with your move no matter how far you need to go, from 100 miles to beyond 1,000 miles. With us, you get all of the right moving services to make moving so much simpler. We handle all of the necessary moving options, including the following: packing and unpacking, supplying packing materials, and transparent pricing. Choosing to work with a local California moving company might not seem like it's worth the cost. A deeper look at the benefits you receive from a local moving company may help you realize why it's a practical decision. Any respectable moving company will definitely help you save time on your local move. It will also keep you from needing to handle heavy lifting. When you work with our movers, you get specialists ready to make your local move very easy. When moving with a local company such as 3 Movers, you get a structured approach for moving day. We can complete even the largest moves in just a few hours. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Sanger moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.